When you're in a position to choose an air conditioning system for your new home, or you may be replacing one that's gone bad, you can save yourself a lot of money over the years on your energy bill by choosing one with the highest SEER rating possible. Now, SEER stands for Seasonal Energy Efficiency Rating, and the higher the rating, the more money you'll save over the years. Of course, the higher the rating, the more it'll cost you up front, but with the energy bills these days, it won't take long before you'll start realizing the payback. Now, these particular units are about a year old, and this homeowner chose one of the highest ratings available on the market with an 18. Many of these units will be anywhere 12, 14, 16 SEER ratings, and again, they'll cost a little bit more, but it certainly makes a difference over the years. Now, newer units are a lot quieter than the ones in the past, and that's an important consideration when you're choosing a place to position these condenser units. Now, this is right outside a fence in a nice little entertainment area these homeowners have, and that certainly quietens it down with the fence, but the shrubbery around it also contributes to keeping these from interfering with those nice days of relaxing in the backyard.